So most of my friends ask, the police in this country is very, they have a lot of power. So what if they arbitrarily exercise their power, and what if they do not register FIR? If I go to the police station, what is my route? So I was trying to think on those lines and try to make a video so that it can benefit most people. So my name is Bhargavi Rao, and this is a very rampant situation, especially before the Nirbhaya case. This was a big issue, but now I'll come to the points why an FIR holds that much of value and why a police may refuse for registering the FIR. So the first and foremost, FIR is the first information report. Can an advocate draft the first information report? No, unless he is the actual witness of that specific event. If he is not, then the informant, the person who has seen it happen, or the victim, or even the accused, can go and give the FIR to the police. And FIR, if they say no, that I'm not going to register this FIR, ask them why. Because only under two grounds they may say that I don't want to register FIR. The first is if the offense, whatever is committed, is non-cognizable offense. So that means it is not cognizable offense. Cognizable in the sense which can be identified. It's as per IPC Act, there are offences which are already identified, and they are called cognizable offences. FIR report is only for the criminal suits. It's not for civil. It's not for complaints. It's not for any other offences or any other torts which are not falling under the purview of cognizable offence. So they might say, no, I'm not going to register an FIR, but you can file a complaint or you can file a suit. So they'll guide you. That is one option. Second is they will say that this is not under my jurisdiction. This doesn't come under the police. But many people don't know that there's a law change in that, especially after the Nirbhaya case. Okay, so they say now the law has changed where if you go to any police station, even if they don't have the jurisdiction on that particular offence, you can ask them to register a zero FIR. What is a zero FIR? Zero FIR is in the sense that they are going to register the FIR and they are going to take the responsibility of giving that FIR to the relevant jurisdiction. So that is called zero FIR. So make sure that you remember that and you ask them if they are saying for some reason that they are not going to take the FIR. Second option, even if they say that okay, for some reason the police is very unruly and you are not able to get FIR registered, then in that case you can also take another remedy which is within the police route. That is, you can go directly file the FIR with the superintendent of the police. You can directly go to them and you can tell that this is what it is and the FIR is not being registered, please do the needful. So they will be able to register the FIR right away. If for example that this FIR is not being registered by even superintendent of the police for other than the two reasons which I mentioned, then in that case you can go directly to the magistrate. You can go to the magistrate and you can file the complaint with him and you can take this matter to him and that will be taken into consideration. So these are the available routes what you have for this. And remember this, that especially in India, no one is above the law. The power whatever is given to them is through our constitution, and the same constitution gives us also the power to make sure that the state is responsible, especially in case of crime. Hopefully I added some inputs on this topic. If you have any doubts, just leave a comment and I'll try to get back to you on that. So until then, see you. Bye.